In this video, I will share the best 3 websites for converting your written text into natural sounding speech for free. Our first website is loopvoice.com. So this is the content for our video. Copy all of content and paste here. From here, you can select a lot of language. For now, I will keep English United States. From here, you can select voiceover artists like male, female or children. Also, from here, you can customize the speed of the voice, but I will keep it default. After you select everything, click Generate.
If you have photography skills, you can turn them into a profitable income stream by selling your photos online. You can use your mobile camera to sell photos online, especially with the advancements in smartphone camera technology.
After you listen, from here you can download your audio. Our second website is ttsfree.com. Copy the content and paste here. From here you can select server. Also from here you can select language. You can customize your voice from here. Also from here you can listen the demo voice.
The life that you are living now is also a dream of millions. So always be satisfied with your life.
The life that you are living now is also a dream of millions. So always be satisfied with your life. Be happy of in every moment of life.
Select the voice you like, then click Convert Now. From here you can download the audio. Our third website is ttsmaker.com. Copy the video content and paste here. From here you can select other language. Also from here you can listen the example of voice.
TTS Maker is a text-to-speech tool, a professional AI voice generator.
TTS Maker is a free text-to-speech tool.
Fill up the CAPTCHA and click Convert to Speech. Also again click here, then OK. After that, from here you can download your audio. Our another website is naturalreaders.com. It's a premium website. From here you can listen the audio.
Hey, what's up, guys? So here's the deal. I just tried this new app, and let me tell you, it's a total game changer.
Click Get Started for free. You need to paste here the content, and from here you can download. Before you download, you have to pay. They will charge around $10 per month.